viewers. Welcome to Action English Academy, where you learn English by actions. In today's lesson, you will learn 9 everyday English expressions used in daily conversations. Watch the explanation, repeat the sentences, and learn English with actions. Let's begin. First expression is no doubt. No doubt means certainly without any question. It is used when you are completely sure about something. For example, she studies very hard every day. She will succeed, no doubt about it. Repeat after me. No doubt. She will succeed, no doubt about it. Now watch the action.
You are working very hard. You will succeed.
No doubt about it.
Next expression is of course. Of course means definitely or naturally. You use it when the answer is obviously yes. For example, can you help me with my project? Of course I will help you. That means you are happy to help. Repeat after me. Of course I will help you. Now watch the action.
Can you help me with my project?
Of course I will help you.
Next expression is not really. Not really means not exactly or not very much. You use it to politely say no. For example, do you like spicy food? Not really. That means you don't like it very much. Repeat after me. Not really. Do you like spicy food? Not really. Now watch the action.
Do you like spicy food? Not really.
Next expression is it depends. It depends means the answer changes based on the situation. For example, will you come tomorrow? It depends. That means you are not sure yet. Repeat after me. Will you come tomorrow? It depends. Now watch the action.
Will you come tomorrow? It depends.
Next expression is I guess so. I guess so means you agree, but you are not completely sure. For example, do you want to join us for dinner? I guess so. That means you will probably join. Repeat after me. I guess so. Do you want to join us? I guess so. Now watch the action.
Do you want to join us for dinner?
I guess so.
Next expression is you never know. You never know means something unexpected might happen. For example, try applying for the job. You never know. That means something good might happen. Repeat after me. You never know. Try applying for the job. You never know. Now watch the action.
I don't think they will hire me. Just try. You never know.
Next expression is that's true. That's true means you agree that something is correct. For example, learning English takes time. That's true. That means you agree with the statement. Repeat after me. That's true. Learning English takes time. That's true. Now watch the action.
Learning English takes time.
That's true.
Next expression is just a moment. Just a moment means wait for a short time. For example, just a moment. I will check the information. That means you need a little time. Repeat after me. Just a moment. I will check the information. Now watch the action.
Hi, I need some information.
Just a moment, I will check the information. Here is the information you requested.
Last expression is, what do you mean? What do you mean means asking someone to explain something. For example, you say something confusing, and the other person asks, what do you mean by that? That means they want clarification. Repeat after me. What do you mean? What do you mean by that? Now watch the action.
Tomorrow everything will change.
What do you mean by that?
It's hard to explain, but trust me.
Great job! Now you know 9 common English expressions used in everyday conversation. Practice these expressions in your daily life. And watch the video again to improve your pronunciation. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share Action English Academy. See you in the next lesson. Bye!